Sometimes you are just in the mood for a delicious hot sandwich, and these Italian chicken cutlet sandwiches right here hit the spot. And the great thing is they are so easy to make. I mean, and versatile. You can kind of change things up as you want to, make them your own. That's the great part about cooking. Like I say in every video, make it your own. But I'm going to show you how to make these chicken cutlet sandwiches, Italian chicken cutlet sandwiches on the Blackstone, quick, fast, and in a hurry. So we need to go on and get started. So go on and fire up that Blackstone and get that thing heating up, because we don't have a whole lot of prep to do, and we're going to get to cooking. Now, you know where you're going to need a good old mater here. I'm going to go kind of some thick slices here. Nothing too fancy with it. We just need 2 slices right there. Already have our lettuce done, so we're just going to pile that up right there. All right, let's talk chicken. I have here a pretty good sized chicken breast right here. Just going to clean some of this fat right here off of it. Then we're going to take it and just slice it in half. Half the best you can. How's that? There you go. Close enough. Looks good. Now what we'll do is over here, under all my other stuff here, I'll have a Ziploc bag that we will put the chicken in. Lay it out flat, if possible. And I didn't have a mallet. Believe it or not, I don't have a mallet. I need to get a mallet. I have a tenderizer, but not the mallet part. But anyhow, we're just going to take this and we're going to beat this thing out a little bit flatter, well, than what it is. That looks good to me right there. We'll take this one out. Maybe. Might have made it part of the bag here. There we go. And we'll do this one pretty much the same way. We're going to make 2 sandwiches today, y'all. 2 good sized pieces. We might cut this one off and add to that one. We'll see how it works. Right now, Tuscan herb. Probably didn't even open it, did I? Nope, sure didn't. So, y'all, bear with me. Today's not been my day. You ever have one of them days like you think you have everything planned out and it just didn't work? Today's that day. So, we're going to hit this with some Tuscan herb. That's some good stuff, y'all. If you never tried Tuscan herb, you really need to try it. I'm going to take and flip it over and hit it again. Now, chicken is seasoned, but it's not ready yet. We got to set up a dredging station. So grab you up a few bowls right here, and we're going to crack some eggs into this one right here. And then we're just going to give them a good whisk. Get them all mixed together. Make all 3 of them eggs friends and happy together. There we go. Good enough. Now in this bowl, we need some Italian seasoned breadcrumbs. That should be plenty, more than enough. And some Parmesan cheese. Like that right there. We'll just mix all this together. And there we go. Now we're ready to dredge our chicken. So grab up a piece of that chicken, some like that, one of them cutlets, dredge it in that egg, and then just come over here and put it in them breadcrumbs and that Parmesan cheese. Yes, sir. We'll do this one the same way. Get in that egg. While that's soaking in that egg, we'll get this one up. And then we'll dredge it. Now, I do have more chicken inside because I'm probably going to end up making more of these. For nothing else, just having them gnaw on later on, you know. And there you go. Chicken's ready. Tomatoes are ready. Lettuce was already done. Y'all, we're ready to cook. Let's go check on our Blackstone. Come on. Well, I'm starting to see that white smoking. You know what that means. It's time to put some groceries on the griddle. Let's throw down some bacon up first, because there's a couple things I want to do here. I want to get the oil hot, or get the grease hot. And I also want a little bit, toast this bread in, y'all. That's right, we're going to toast the bread. And some bacon grease. Don't know if you can ever go wrong with that. So we'll let this kind of just melt on down and get good and hot and get ready for that chicken. We're going to turn around here, grab up our ciabatta bread right here. and get it to toasting. Right there. Oh yeah, this chicken's gonna be good in that bacon grease. Now you may be asking me why I'm going ahead and toasting the bread. Well, it's because that chicken's gonna cook really, really quick. And I did move the bread over toward the center a little bit more. So it goes ahead and toasts on up. Look at there. Looking good. Y'all, that looks good enough to me. I don't know about you, but I like a little light toast on it. So let's take this up. Come on. Time to cook some chicken now. Now, my Blackstone don't sit exactly level. It does sit over to one side. That's okay. We're going to put it right there. Turn around here, grab up our chicken. And y'all listen to this. Yes, sir. That sizzle. Love it. This is going to be some good stuff, I'm telling you. Oh, yeah. That chicken with all that seasoning and Parmesan cheese on here, too. Frying up in bacon grease. Now, that's how you start a sandwich. And after a few minutes, come in here and give them a flip because they will brown up rather quickly. So, we'll just give them a flip real quick. Y'all, this chicken is pretty much ready. So, we need cheese. Specifically, mozzarella cheese. And lots of it, y'all. Lots of it. Love me some mozzarella. Let's just put a bunch on here. I gotta find my dome. You know, sometimes you don't need a dome. What you do is you grab up a water bottle right here, put a little steam down, and if you have a lid, close it. If you don't have a lid, find your dome. But while this cheese is melting down, let me take just a minute to say, I'm not a professional. I'm just some guy in the backyard. I get a lot of comments. You don't know what you're doing, blah, blah. You're right. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just some guy in the backyard with a camera and a Blackstone. But if you're enjoying what you're doing, if you're enjoying being here, seeing what's going on, hit that subscribe button. I really would appreciate it. Let's pop this top and see what we got. Oh, yeah, that's looking good right there. Y'all, time has come. Move our toasted ciabatta bread over. Y'all, let's take these up. Yes, sir. It's gonna be some good eating right here. Come on, let's finish these things up. Come on. I told you this is gonna be a quick cook. So now what we need to do is we need some mayo, y'all. And not just any mayo. Need the Duke's. Gotta have Duke's mayo. We're gonna put some right here on the bottom of this bread. And don't need a whole lot unless you just want a whole lot. That's up to you. That is 100% how much you want to use. Use it. This piece is falling apart. That's okay. But listen, can y'all hear that? How crunchy that is? Yes, sir. That's what you want. Now, how you build this thing is up to you. I'm going to show you how I'm going to build mine. I need my spatula over here because what I'm going to do is go ahead and just put this on here like this. Put this one on here like this. Now, let's see here. Let's hit it with a tomato. A little tomato right here. You hit tomato. You know, and a tomato needs salt. You gotta have salt if you're gonna have tomatoes. Gotta have that. Now we need some pretty lettuce right here. We'll hit it with a pretty lettuce, like that. Roasted bell peppers, y'all. Gotta have some of those. We'll just add a few of those on here because that's really going to step up the flavor as if it didn't need stepping up already. Look at that. But there's one more secret ingredient. It's a balsamic glaze. I don't know if you love balsamic glaze, but I sure do. If I can get it open. There we go. We'll just take it. Oop, there we go. Didn't want to come out at first. But it's coming out now, ain't it? There we go. Look at that. Yes, sir. And top it off. There you have 2 beautiful Italian chicken cutlet sandwiches. Before I dig in, you got to check this out. Y'all look at how beautiful these turned out right here. I mean, that is a sandwich just packed with flavor. You know, speaking of which, I got to taste it and see how much flavor we packed it with. So what'd you think about these right here? I mean, these turned out amazing, but I got to find out if they taste amazing. You know, they can look great. They can. They might not taste good, but they look great. Let's try one out. They taste great too. Man, that's good. All the flavors come together perfectly. You hear me? That chicken, it's good, it's still juicy. The balsamic glaze, the mayo, all the Italian flavors in there, that tomato, that lettuce, just everything. Everything is perfect. Now, an assignment for you. Let me know what you would do different to these sandwiches. Would you add mushrooms to them? Maybe some prosciutto? What would you do differently? Bacon. Always put bacon on it. Would never hurt. Anyhow, I got to try these. I got to take these inside. Let the kids try them out. See if they like them. You know the drill. Thumbs up if you like the video. Thumbs down twice. Comment, share, everything. Let me know if you liked the video. If you didn't like it, you're pretty good at that. We'll see you next time.